Right now, we're seeing an exceptional innovation sentiment score of plus 0.80, coupled with a momentum of plus 0.28, a notable spike that's well above our historical baseline. This indicates a strong and accelerating positive sentiment around innovation, suggesting that something significant is happening in this space. Using our API, you can access detailed sentiment insights, including 20 semantic clusters that break down the nuances of this sentiment. For example, if you're developing a product roadmap, you can leverage this API to identify key trends and topics that are driving this surge, allowing you to align your strategy with the current wave of innovation. Curious to explore this further? Check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs for more info.